Hello everyone, it's been a while, but I'm finally back with a new project. You read the title, my team and I are going to be making a game in 1 month and publishing it to Steam. Here's how this is going to work. We have 31 days to make a game and publish it to Steam. That means even if we only get to early access, we have to publish. Along the way, I'll make sure to keep you all updated on our progress by way of these devlogs. You get the first one today, hello, and you get another every Friday for the rest of the month. Big question. What engine will we use? There's a lot of great engines out there, but we're going to be using Unity to make this game, and I know what you're thinking. I've seen the controversy surrounding Unity, but the fact of the matter is, no one is hiring for Godot positions. Unity is still by far the most used engine in the industry, and I'm looking for a job. So, I don't like it, but Unity it is. Thank you all for watching. I know as far as devlogs go, this is a pretty short one, but it's more of an announcement for the weeks to come. I hope you all stick around to see how this unfolds, and hopefully we can make something super cool.